If you have the audacity to dream about something really big that you want to achieve in your life, there is definitely a way that you can achieve it no matter what. If you keep on doing it every day, how will you even achieve your goals? Just get up and get your things ready. Just do it. This is the reason where most of the people fail. Hello everyone, welcome to my another video where we talk about positivity. And if you are someone who dreams big, if you have so many goals to achieve in your life, but if you still struggle to take a next step, then this video is definitely for you. See, everyone wants big life, big dreams, big goals, everything big. But most of us just spend time imagining it than working on it. And honestly, that is the reason nothing changes. Stop romanticizing your dreams and start building the habit. And why I say this, because most of the people just spend their time dreaming about big life, dreaming about their achievements, dreaming about their success, but no one actually takes the action to achieve them. There are only few people who will actually make an effort to fulfill their dreams. Yeah, so which one of them are you? Comment below. This might sound a bit bitter to hear, but बड़े बड़े सपने देखना या फिर बड़े बड़े सपने देखना अच्छी बात है. Okay. Dreaming about success only feels exciting when you just imagine it. Yeah. But when you actually start making an effort, okay, it becomes boring. And why I say this, because success usually comes from repeated habits and boring routines. Even I have many goals, many dreams, many things to achieve in life, but when I actually make an effort to it just starts feeling bored. I'm not saying you have to work 24 hours a day, you have to work hard in order to achieve your dreams and blah blah blah, because ये सब सिर्फ सुनने में ही अच्छा लगता है. Because when you actually make an effort to do it, it just gets stressful. Okay, so here is what you can do. Maintain a small diary where you can write your everyday things, कि आज सुबह उठ के मुझे क्या करना है, आफ्टरनून में क्या करना है, at night before sleeping what I have to do, and this is what I actually do. And let me tell you one thing, this video is not about motivation at all, because मैं खुद मोटिवेट नहीं होती हूँ भाई. because अगर मोटिवेशन देने से काम चलता है तो आजकल दुनिया में सब लोग सक्सेसफुल होते हैं. am I right? एंड जो लोग एक्चुअली लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल बनना चाहते हैं ना, दे डोंट नीड मोटिवेशन एट ऑल. दिस पीपल ओनली रिलाई ऑन रिपीटेड हैबिट्स, रिपीटेड रूटीन्स. Because imagine, if you really want to achieve something in your life, why do you need motivation? Yeah, because you have your own mind to think about it. You have your own goals to fulfill. You don't need other people to tell you. You don't need other people to remind you कि भाई चलो उठो आज काम करना है. So dreaming big is okay, but don't think of it as something really big. Make small efforts in order to achieve that. For example, if you want to become an YouTuber, okay, पहले दिन से ऐसे मत सोचो कि ओके वन डे आई एम गोइंग टू बिकम अ बिग यूट्यूबर. ओके, यू विल बिकम अ यूट्यूबर वन डे, बट बिफोर दैट व्हाट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन इट. Make a list of everything. Just write down things which you have to do every day. Okay, because when you write down the things, okay, in your diary, you actually feels motivated, okay, towards your goal. You feel like okay चलो आज मुझे जल्दी उठना है, I have to do this, I have to complete this today, and this is how the things start happening. Because doing this every day, even for 10 minutes, even for 15 minutes, okay, जितना भी टाइम तुम्हें दिन में उस चीज़ में बिताना हो, just make sure that you do it at least. So it will take you towards your success a bit closer. It will feel and make your success feel achievable. If we talk about procrastination, then I am the queen of procrastination, because I have been procrastinating each and everything my entire life. Procrastination is normal, but if you keep on doing it every day, how will you even achieve your goals? What's the point of having a dream then? What is the point of dreaming about success? Am I right? Procrastination usually comes from fear. People, before even starting, they feel like, okay, what if I fail? What if other people start judging me? What if other people laugh? Okay, and this is the reason where most of the people fail. Sometimes we avoid starting because we feel that dreaming is better than possibly trying and failing. We spend our entire day doing nothing, but suddenly at 2 a.m. you get a feeling कि okay, now I want to start taking my life seriously. Now I want to achieve this in my life. I want to achieve that. but do you actually get up in the morning and start working on it seriously? Even if you're not well, even if you're busy, even if you feel unmotivated, or even if you don't feel like getting up and doing it, just get up and get your things ready. Just do it, okay? Believe me when I say this, because once you make an effort, once you start making that as a habit, there is no going back. Today I'm making this video, I'm sitting in front of the camera, I'm just keep on yapping. I'm not even sure if people are going to watch this video till the end, because earlier when I got up, I was not even in a mood. I didn't even feel like getting up and shooting. But then this thought came in my mind and I was like, should I make an effort at least to shoot? That's why I'm here. I'm wearing my pajamas. If you go to see, I'm not even dressed up properly, but because of the video I'm here, and this is the whole point of this video. If you have the audacity to dream about something really big that you want to achieve in your life, there is definitely a way that you can achieve it no matter what, and that actually starts within you. So start believing in yourself and stay focused and see how things around you will start changing. So that's it for the video, and thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you guys found this video helpful, and also if you are new, then please hit a like and subscribe to my channel, because I will keep uploading such videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.